Hello everyone, this is Sarvahita, Assistant Professor of CAC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain a few topics of the subject multimedia and animation. First, let us see about what is digital audio and video file formats and the colors in image, video, and the color models. Digital audio and video file formats. The first, let us see about audio file formats. The audio file formats are used to store sound data, and these formats can either be lossy, that is, the compression leads a loss of quality, or lossless, that is, compression preserves the original quality. The most common audio format includes MP3, WAV, AAC, FLAC, OGG, and everything has an extension like .mp3, .wav, .aac, .flac, and .ogg. The most popular lossy audio format widely used for music, podcast, and streaming services is the mp3, and mp3 uses the perceptual coding to reduce the file size while maintaining the reasonable sound quality. And the wave, they are lossless audio format commonly used for storing the raw audio data. The WAV files are uncompressed, which results in large file sizes. It is often used in professional audio editing and recording. Similar to the MP3, but generally offers better audio quality to similar bit rates, that is AAC, and it is used in application like Apple's iTunes, YouTube, and streaming services. A lossless audio format that compresses the audio without losing any quality is .flac files, and it is popular in audiophile circles and used for storing high quality music files. The OGG files is a free open source audio format that uses the Vorbis compression algorithm, and it often balances between the file size and the sound quality and is often used for streaming. The AIFF file, it is extension is .aiff. It is similar to WAV, and this is a lossless audio format used primarily on Apple devices, and it stores the uncompressed audio, resulting in large file sizes. The that is M4A audio file format is often used for music on audio files in Apple's ecosystem. So it uses the AAC compression and is typically of better quality than the MP3 at the same bit rate. And Opus, a high efficient lossy audio format used primarily for the speech and streaming audio, including the voice over IP, which is shortly called as VoIP, and internet streaming. It adapts to varying bit rates and audio characteristics. Now let us see about the video file formats. Video file formats are used to store the video and audio streams together in one file. These formats can be either the container formats that store the video and audio together, or the codec specific formats, which is how the data is compressed. Let us see about the file formats. That is, first one is MP4. It is has an extension of .mp4. The most widely used video file format is this MP4, which is a supporting video and audio streams along with the features like subtitles and metadata, etc. So it typically uses the H.264 codec for the video compression and AAC for the audio compression. And MP4 is popularly for the streaming and web use and video sharing platforms. AVI, that is a container format developed by the Microsoft. It can store the video and audio in various codecs, but tends to have a large file size compared to MP4, especially if not compressed. MOV, that is .mov, it is developed by Apple. It is move in MOV is a multimedia container format that supports various video and audio codecs. An MKV is a flexible container format that holds the video and audio, subtitles, metadata in a single file. It is supports a variety of codecs, etc., and it includes H.264, H.265, and others. It is popularly used for the high definition video files. Next one is WebM. So this is a video format developed for the web use, typically using the VP8 or VP9 video codecs and Opus or Orbis for audio. WebM is designed for streaming and is supported in HTML5 for web browsers. FLV, it is a video format once commonly used for streaming videos on the web, especially with the Flash player. And FLV is being phased out in favor of HTML5 based formats like MP4 and WebM. Then WMV, it is a file format developed by Microsoft for the use of Windows Media Player, and this is used to compress and using the Windows Media Video Codec and suitable for streaming or playback of the Windows systems. The next one is HEVC. It is a newer video compression format that offers improved compression efficiency compared to H.264. It is commonly used for the high definition video content including the 4K videos, and is used by streaming services like Netflix. 3GP, a container format which is used for the mobile video and audio files. It is used for 3G mobile networks, and it is still used in many mobile devices. Now let us see about the color in image and video. The color is in digital images and videos is represented using the color models, which define how the color values are stored and interpreted. And the use of color in digital media is essential for conveying the visual information and invoking the certain emotions. The color representation in images and videos. Pixels. Both the images and videos are compressed of individual pixels, so each pixel represents a specific color at the particular location in the image or a frame. Color depth, it refers to the number of bits used to represent the color of each pixel, and the more bits used, the greater the range of colors that can be displayed. Common color depths include 8-bit color, 24-bit color, 32-bit color. The chroma subsampling. In video formats, chroma subsampling reduces the amount of color data stored by compressing the color information while keeping the brightness. Common subsampling formats include 4:4:4 and 4:2:2 and 4:2:0. Dynamic range. Dynamic range of color refers to the contrast between the darkest and brightest parts of an image or video. The high definition range content offers a wide range of brightness and color saturation, enhancing the viewing experience. The color models. A color model defines how the colors are represented in numerical values, typically using a combination of primary color components, and the most commonly used color models in digital media are the RGB, that is red, green, and blue. It's an additive color model used primarily for the digital screens, monitors, TVs, cameras. In this model, the colors are created by mixing various intensities of red, green, and blue light. When all three colors are combined at full intensity, they produce the white. When no color is present, and it produces black. Usage: displays, digital cameras, computer graphics, and video content. In 8-bit color depth, an RGB color is represented as 255,0,0. For pure red, R will be 0, G will be 255,0 for pure green, and 00,255. That is, the colors will be enhanced for 255 for the particular color for blue. Okay. Then CMYK means it is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. The HSV means it is hue saturation value. HSL means hue saturation lightness. So both this HSV and HSL are cylindrical color models designed to be more initiative for the humans to understand and work with. So hue refers to the color itself, type of color. Saturation refers to the intensity or purity of the color. Value or lightness refers to the brightness of the color. Graphic design, image editing, and digital art software. So this represents red, that is H of 0 represents red with the maximum saturation and lightness, and it becomes pure red. Description is, that is, the YCBCR is a color model used primarily in video compression and digital television, and it separates the brightness Usages: it is used for video encoding and transmission. Lab is a color model which is used or designed to the device independent, meaning that it approximates how the humans perceive the color. So it is based on three components. Lab means lightness, green to red, that is A means green to red, and B means blue to yellow. Usage is color correction and image manipulation, commonly used in Photoshop. Thank you.